Watch this video and learn how to draw an Easter basket. Later in the show, join Artie for a song break. And watch to the end to see Louie perform some poetry. Is everybody ready? It's Artie's show!
Come on kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie!
What should I draw today?
Hello, Artie.
Hello!
It's Easter, Artie.
Yeah.
Let's draw an Easter basket.
Yeah. Oh, I would love to draw that.
Great.
Yeah. Ooh, I'm excited. Ooh.
Good day, Artie!
Hey there, Artie!
Are you ready to create some art?
I'm ready.
Oh, good. Do you have your paper?
Yeah.
Then let's draw our Easter basket.
Oh, wow. That's going to be really fun.
Let's start then.
Okay, let's do it.
I wonder what Artie is going to create today.
Let's start by drawing the left and right side sections of our basket. We'll draw a back to front J on the left and then a correct round way J on the right. J shapes are used a lot in our drawings, Artie. Now let's connect the two bottom sections of our J's with a line across.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Thank you, Louie. Okay, Artie, let's draw a little bow on the left side at the top of our J. Very cute. Draw a little bit of ribbon coming down from underneath. That's it, Artie. Excellent. Should we do the same on the right side?
Yeah.
That's it. Two little bows.
Hi, Artie. Wow! That drawing deserves a standing ovation, like most of my songs. Oh, oh. Bye.
Thank you for the song, Barry. Oh, boy. Now, Artie, we're going to draw lots of little U shapes this time, all the way along the top of the basket. Now let's draw upside down U shapes all the way along the top. Now this is the fun part. We're going to connect all those shapes with little diagonal lines, and now it looks like the rim of a basket. Very good, Artie. Now let's draw the handle. We're going to use the exact same technique with our little U shapes.
Can you tell what it's gonna be, Betty?
Not yet.
You're doing great, Artie, but this is going to take a little bit of patience drawing all those little U shapes. Keep going up to join together at the top, and then we have the top part of our handle.
Oh, let's have a song break.
You want a song break?
Yeah.
Why not?
Yeah. Okay, song break. Yeah.
Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty took a good fall. All of King's horses and all of King's men couldn't put Humpty together again. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty took a good fall. All of King's horses and all of King's men couldn't put Humpty together again. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty took a good fall. All of King's horses and all of King's men couldn't put Humpty together again. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty horses, and all of King's men couldn't put Humpty together again. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty took a good fall. All of King's horses and all of King's men couldn't put Humpty together again. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty took a good fall. All of King's horses and all of King's men couldn't put Humpty together again.
Oh, that was fun. Artie loves song breaks.
That was a good one.
Yeah.
Great job.
Oh, thank you.
Should we carry on with the drawing?
Oh, okay. Yeah, all right.
Now we're going to follow the top line of our handle just underneath, and that's going to give the handle some thickness. Again, Artie, you have to be a little bit patient, but it's going to be worth it. The end result's going to be fabulous. Coming up, Louis is going to read us some poetry. It's going to be fun. That's right, Artie. Connect all those little U-shapes with a diagonal line, and that makes our handle look like it's weaved. Yes, Artie, it's when you take pieces of wicker and weave them together to make a stronger section.
Oh.
Now let's draw some eggs inside of our basket. Draw the top section of an egg, not the whole thing, just the top section. And then draw another one next to it with a slight overlap, so it looks like one egg is behind the other. Great job, Artie. Now we've got 3 eggs at the front. Let's draw a second row behind. So remember, only draw part of the egg. That's it. I think we should get some eggs later, Artie, and paint them bright pastel colours.
Oh, yeah. Oh, wow.
Okay, we'll do that later on this afternoon. Draw one more egg in the middle, Artie, and then I think our basket is full of eggs. Now let's draw some little faces on the eggs. 2 little dots for eyes and a little smiley mouth. That's it, perfect. Let's do that on all the eggs. These eggs look very happy to be sat in this basket.
Yeah.
I warned you about her years ago, darling. I mean, hello and welcome to Poetry Corner. Okay, today's poem is about something we really love around here. Art, yes. Okay, here goes. Grab some crayons, paint or glue. There's so much fun that art can do. Draw a rainbow, shape or star. Make a masterpiece. Be who you are. Colours swirl and pictures shine. Art is yours. It's yours to design. So create with heart and you will see art is magic. Wild and free. Oh, that was marvellous, darling, wasn't it? Marvellous.
Thank you for that poem, Louis. That was excellent. Get it, Artie? Excellent.
No.
Well, I was saying egg. We're drawing eggs. Excellent.
Oh.
You seem to be really enjoying this drawing, Artie. You're having fun drawing all those little faces.
Yeah. Artie's having so much fun. Thank you.
Well, you're welcome. We're having fun watching you draw. Well, I think that's all the eggs finished, Artie. They're going to look great when they're coloured in later on. Now go and get that thin pen on the side. The thin marker. Yes, over there. That's it. We're going to use this thinner pen to draw some diagonal lines in the bottom part of the basket. This again is going to make it look like our basket is weaved.
Hi, Bunny.
Wow, that drawing makes me hop with joy.
Oh, I'm very happy.
It's excellent.
Excellent.
Hop to it.
Bye.
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 Well, that was nice of Bunny to come and visit, Artie. Now draw some more diagonal lines, but this time in the opposite direction. That's it. That looks so good, Artie. Wow, I think you might be done. It looks pretty finished.
I'm finished.
I thought you were. What do you want to do now, Artie?
Can Artie colour it in, please?
Well, of course you can.
Yay! Yeah! Colour it in! Colour it in!
Color it in! Color it in! Color it in!
Artie's finished!
You did a good job, Artie.
Artie did a good job.
I love all the colours you used, all those pastels.
Really nice.
Are you happy with it, Artie?
Yeah, very happy.
Oh, good.
We hope you enjoyed today's show.
And we hope you come back and see us tomorrow. Have a great day, little artists.
Bye. Have an art day.
Oh, yeah. Well, thank you for watching, little artists. I hope you have an arty day.